Hello, good morning. My name is Chloe Newhart, and I'm going to be presenting my Unit 5, Chapter 8, Color Basics presentation over the different colors and color combinations and categories. So first is, it's just all about color. This whole presentation. It's very important in graphic design. It helps evoke emotion and reactions, all without using any words. But how do we know which colors look good with one another? That would be color theory. It's not only for artists, it's for every person who uses color in some way or another. Whether it's decorating your house, painting a room, picking a color theme for baby shower or wedding, picking out an outfit, anything you can think of. Color theory helps us choose what looks good and what fits right for what we're trying to do. There are all different types of colors today, and today I'll be showing you and explaining some of these categories of color. So we have primary colors, there's three main ones, red, yellow, and blue. They're always at the top of the color wheel. If you look, it usually starts with red at the top. Think of them as parents or the root of all the other colors. And I have an example down below of the Romanian flag, which has the primary colors. Next we have tertiary colors. Tertiary colors are primary colors mixed with the closest secondary color on the wheel. They are the in-between colors. So yellow-orange, red-orange, red-violet, blue-violet, blue-green, yellow-green, and then many more. We have triadic colors. Triadic colors are any three colors that are evenly placed on a color wheel. So if you take a triangle and place it on a color wheel, the colors at each point form a triadic combination. Next we have analogous colors. Analogous colors are groups of three colors that are next to each other on the color wheel. So instead of it being a triadic, triangle, they're just all three next to each other. Composed of one dominant color, then a supporting color, and a third color. That is either a mix of the two colors. Color temperature, so warm colors and cool colors. When the color wheel is split in half, you'll see that one side of the wheel looks warm, with red, oranges, and yellows, while the other side looks cool, with greens, blues, and purples. Then we have saturated colors. Color saturation is the intensity of color in an image. So saturated color usually is like super bright, super vibrant. When the saturation is lower, the color appears washed out or pale. When the saturation is increased, it appears vibrant and pure. A highly saturated image has rich and vivid colors, while low saturation has a scale of gray. So desaturated colors are pretty much the opposite of saturated colors. Like with saturation being like super vivid, desaturated colors are the grays and stuff usually. They suit the eyes more than saturated color. Desaturated bright colors convey more friendly tones, and dark colors convey more serious tones. RGB color. The RGB color system builds all the colors from the combination of red, green, and blue colors. The red, green, and blue use 8 bits each, which have integer values from 0 to 255. This makes 256 times 2. It makes a whole lot of colors pretty much. But yeah. Next we have the CMYK color system. It builds all colors from the combination of cyan, magenta, yellow, and black. CMYK is typically used in color process printing. And you have spot color. Unlike process printing, spot color printing uses pure and mixed inks that are produced without the use of screens or multicolored dots. Think of spot color offset printing kind of like printing your house. You choose colors and then apply the pre-mixed medium directly to a surface. And then lastly, I believe, is hexadecimal color code. A hexadecimal color is specified with the RRGGBB, which RR stands for red, GG stands for green, and BB stands for blue. They are the hexadecimal integers between 0 and FF, specifying the intensity of the color. For example, 0000FF is displayed as blue because the blue component is set to the highest value and the others are set to 0. Alright, thanks all for watching. I need to go charge my laptop. Thank you. Goodbye.